There are some ways how you can export a PNG file without a background or with a transparent background. The first way is to set the document setting to transparent background right when you start to create the document. So you can just do it here, click that slider, and then you get the document with the checkerboard pattern. And if you, for example, just draw a rectangle on here and then go on export PNG, you can save it here. And then when you open it, you can see that it is just the rectangle without any background. Another way, when you forget to set the document setting to transparent background right in the start when you're creating a new file, is to deselect everything that you have and click on the grayish part outside of the canvas. And then you can see here that there's a document setup button. You can just click on that one, then scroll down a bit until you have the color settings. And here you can also click on transparent background. Then this canvas will also again change to the checkerboard pattern, and you can just, as before, export it by clicking here on export PNG and saving it somewhere. I hope this was helpful, and see you in the next video.